I made clay rings, and they look terrible. I saw a TikTok tutorial.
You can make clay out of salt and
Flour, water, salt.
I was so interested because I was like, you don't have to buy polymer clay to make really cute rings, really cute, cheap rings. And I was so excited to create a video for you guys so you guys could follow along with me for those who can't be bothered going out to the craft store and buying polymer clay.
Was it worth it? Haha, joke's on you. Look at how short my hair was. Literally, okay? It was up to here. It's up to here. That says a lot about how long I've been trying to do this and trying to find the perfect routine, and nothing's worked. Or has it? But if you're still here, that means you want to see what happened. I like shiny things, but with clay rings, oh.
Can you read that? Quarter cup. Good. Like, I have my friend's salt here. Today we're making cake. I'm kidding. The recipe on my hand here and that. What am I doing? Like, I literally can just scoop it. Quarter cup of flour. This just shows how little I know about baking. Water. Bruh. It looks scrumptious.
I would eat it.
It actually is edible because it's flour, salt, and water. It smells like Play-Doh, so I think this is like how Play-Doh is made.
Guys, while you're at it, subscribe.
Okay guys, I made a trail of
Donuts.
and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect them with water. It looks like a puff pastry. This is so sad. What did I do? 20 minutes later. First we have Cheezel Guy. This did not turn out well. I made them the size that I wanted them, but I think this in the oven, they shrink, so I would advise you guys to do like a tester or something. It's like when you put Cheezels at the corners of your fingers and you just eat them. It looks scrumptious. 4 Cheezels. 4 ring Cheezels. All of them are pretty like crumbly. It has a heart here and it's kind of like a regular ring, but it doesn't fit.
So, while we're doing attempt 2 for my clay rings, I wanted to ask you guys on your opinions on this year's Met Gala. So off topic, but like, comment down below who your favorite person's outfit. It's not even good outfit. What your favorite outfit and dress was, and I'll tell you my opinion later on in the video.
This one, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one. I am just gonna hope for the best. I'm gonna put them in the oven now. I don't know. I'm so sad because I know this would have fit if it didn't melt compared to, well, obviously like compared to like this one. And it's getting its use. Money's worth. Money's worth. I just crushed this ring. Guys, I'm watching on Disney Plus right now. So I'll watch any Pixar or cartoon movie, I don't care. You can see Meredith. I'm pretty sure it's Meredith. You guys. So all this is really self-explanatory, guys. You can kind of just see what I'm doing. I'm gonna use one of these as a rolling pin. So this is like a great, this is literally being the best alternative to like polymer clay, guys. Okay guys, back to the Met Gala topic. Don't worry, I wasn't gonna make you guys wait for that long. But I really like, there we go. There's a little bit. Just like, guys, it's so fun playing with the clay. Like, it's literally Play-Doh. To show you, this is my 4th batch of rings. This time I decided to make them quite thinner. Look at this little foil thing I made for the circular rings that stays in shape. The only ring that puffed up was still the Cheezel kind of saw, and this one is the one with the little pendant. Let me show you.
Look how cute.
That is though. I'm gonna adjust it accordingly, but like,
Look how cute.
I'm so excited to wear this one. This one's like gonna be my favorite ring and my
Most used ring of like all time.
But they actually got pretty burnt in the oven. I just put that on focus. They got so burnt, but they still work. Oh my gosh, I just cracked it. Okay. Foil actually really helps, so I do recommend using foil. if you're gonna use this method of clay rings. Here it is. A montage of my ring. Look at this broken one. Look at all these dead pendant rings. All these attempts, guys. It's so sad. I really liked Billie Eilish's dress. It was just so pretty. However, I don't actually know the theme of the whole thing. I know it's something to do with like American. Yeah, I'm not really familiar with the theme, so I'm not really judging based on how good it was to the theme of this year's Met Gala. Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I combined, if you can see here, like a little white, blue, and yellow to make it kind of green for this ring. The moment of truth, we're gonna be doing a ring haul. Sorry if I keep looking like that way. Did it turn out good? Did it turn out bad? Did more rings break? I just cracked it. Please stay tuned in the end because I'm going to show you guys how I made these rings, beaded rings. So let's start off with the ones that are my favorites. I'm just going to wear them for you. These two. So this is the blue one that you saw I was painting, and this is the white one. The really cute one that I really liked. And then I also made one that would fit like this finger, so I have two now. Very fun, but as you can see with this ring, what happened was, I think it, like, you know how it got burnt? It just started leaking. I'm so sorry guys for anyone who, what do you call it? I don't know. Who doesn't like the camera quality? Oh my gosh.
I have like a glitch. Okay.
Anyways, there's this ring. It actually doesn't fit on any fingers except for my pinky. I don't actually know where I have it, but I wanted to paint it even though it didn't fit me. Next, we have these two. These ones were the really pretty ones that I was talking about.
Look how cute.
So cute, so pretty, so wonderful. I need to repaint the pink one. But you can see a little pendant. Next is the one I haven't painted. It's this one. It's like wriggly. And I have this one purple ring. Very cute. And then I have a pinky one. So this was like my heart pendant one that didn't fit on that finger, but I figured out it fit on my pinky. It has a heart here. And then I have a brown ring. So basically I have one of almost every color. I'm gonna put them all on my fingers because I want to show you guys all of them. And I'll never use these as my thumbnail pictures because they may look aesthetic, but they just aren't as aesthetic as like... You got me. Let's call it a night. Good night. Don't let the frost bites bite. I haven't even painted all of them, but here they are. They're pretty cool actually. I just dropped one. See how it doesn't fit my finger. This is the ring haul. This is the ring. This is the fit. I wonder, comment down below your opinions. The reason why I was complaining about these earlier on was just because they didn't turn out as best as they could have, and they just took a really long time because they took so many attempts. It hurted my like literal brain. But yeah, these are my rings and I love them, I guess, but like, girl. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I made this ring as well. So also don't worry about my nails, sorry, just ignore my nails. But like, I'm gonna also utilize this and I'm gonna put all the beads on this like fabric thing. Here's the moment of truth. Alright, oh, okay. But like, for example, I'm gonna do something like this. Something like this. So I have this starfish ring. It looks so pretty. Like kind of what it looks like. So cute, I love it. It's just tie a double or triple knot. This one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get 2 more periwinkle beads. I would say this color is periwinkle. So pretty. Triple knotted this one too. Oh, look at how pretty that is. It's like my favorite color. Makes me so excited. Yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that because I definitely did.